Hello, and thank you for checking out my map. This is a road trip that I have taken before, but this time I added a couple more stops so I can see a little more that I wanted to do. We start here in Ranch Cucamonga at Chaffey College, and then we're going to go ahead and go up the 5, and the first stop would be at Anderson Pea Soup, a restaurant I have yet to try, but I hear it's delicious. After getting some food, a great place that I have been to is Winchester House Museum. It is an awesome house, and Mrs. Winchester never stopped building it. They say it's to keep the spirits happy because they're saying it is haunted. Very cool, strange house, awesome to look through. After that, you go into San Francisco. San Francisco, there are a ton of things to do. A few of my favorite was, I have not done this actually. This one is Lombard Street. You go down this windy road through a neighborhood, very iconic. Then you can have a bite to eat, if I can get it through here, at the Fisherman's Wharf. A lot of different seafood if you like seafood, which I do. A lot of great shops. You can take cable cars, trolleys, fun experience. Ghirardelli is there as well. Another thing I have yet to do is Alcatraz Island, an old asylum. You can get an Erie tour, take a boat across. That would be fun to do. And then, of course, the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, which is so massively beautiful in person. I have driven across it. I would love to walk across it. That is another one of my lists to do. Then as you go way up north here into the top of Northern California, there's a beautiful little town called Fort Bragg over by McCarraker State Park. Absolutely gorgeous, quaint little town. And there is Glass Beach. At Glass Beach, it is full of these little glass pieces. They say that it's from glass that has washed up on shore and smoothed out because of the waves, and so many different pretty colors. There's rocks all over that the kids can play on. There are some sea lions that you can see. Just a very nice, beautiful little town. Great place to take the kids and explore. Then you head back down off the coast. The Pacific Coast Highway 1, which is a beautiful drive because who doesn't love driving along the coast? As you go back down, you have to go through that Golden Gate Bridge one more time because why not? It's so beautiful. And then here we have the steam trains that go through the redwoods of Northern California. The redwoods is a beautiful part of our forest in California, and that's a fun little way to explore them. Another favorite place of mine is the Monterey Bay Aquarium. Here they have sea life of all kinds. They save them, rehabilitate, and send them back into the wild. They have wonderful conservation efforts. Sometimes you can see dolphins and whales out and about. Very fun family place to do a whole day event. So it's fun to stay there and just hang out in that little town. And then again, the coast, Pacific Coast Highway. So you drive down. One area I have not been to, but I've heard wonderful things about, is Solvang. Solvang is said to have a great bakery and little shops and just a beautiful place to walk around and have lunch before heading home back to our beautiful town of Ranch Cucamonga and Chaffey College. That is my trip of California that I would like to take to be able to see more of the sites that I haven't seen. Thank you so much.